Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be my July Boxycharm 2019 / makeup tutorial. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription that gives 4 to 5 products that retails over $100. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click subscribe and a notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. The theme for this month of July 2019 is all natural. And then on the back is just the typical list of the products that came in the box. So I'm not gonna be looking at that. Listen. Okay, so let's get right into the first product that is in the box. Okay, so the first thing that I see is Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is the mask, how it looks like. Okay, so now let's read from the card. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. Okay, the ingredients of this veggie mask, it is avocado and broccoli seed oils rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion, which is great. And then it says directions: apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works. Its magic removed after 10 minutes with a damp dark cloth. Okay, to be really honest, I know you guys want me to try this out on camera now, but I'm not gonna do it. But I am gonna film a video on this, but it's gonna be separate because I wanna do a full video on this mask, because I know I'm gonna have a lot to talk about this mask. Because since I'm vegan, I all about eating natural stuff, putting natural things on my face, on my body and stuff. So that is why I'm gonna do a separate video on this mask for you guys, so please look out for that. Okay, so let's get right into the next product that's in this box. It is it is this baby right here. Look at this packaging. It is so adorable. I love the wood thing in the back of this. So this is Butter London. Wow, now Butter London is making makeup. Wow, I can't believe it. So if you guys are not familiar with Butter London are known for their nail polishes. Their nail polishes are like square looking polishes in the bottle. They square and they're like, the price ranges for $15 to $18, and I honestly love their nail polish so much because the formula is so pigmented and it's very high quality nail polishes, so I really love. And for Butter London to create an eyeshadow palette that is so good, they're really stepping up with doing makeup now. Like, they're known for their nail polish, now they're doing makeup. Okay, so let's open these eyeshadows up. These are the shadows. Aren't these so pretty? These are like very natural looking, but this blue right here gives it a pop of color, which I honestly love to look so pretty. These colors, look at this. Oh. Okay, so this eyeshadow palette retails for $32. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swatch them on my hand because I know many of y'all want to know if it's pigmented or not. Okay, so these are the swatches. I swatched some of them on my hand, but I definitely swatched the blue, and these are the greens and other shade. These colors are so pretty. Love it. I can't wait to apply it on my eyes in a few minutes. So let's get right into the next product. The next product I got, they are brushes, and I definitely want to include it in this eye tutorial look that I'm gonna do for you guys right now. Okay, so the next product is by Luxie Beauty. It is Luxie Beauty. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautifully by recycling this package. Okay, so I'm taking the brushes out. It comes with 3 brushes, and the first one is Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. The next one is Luxie 510 foundation brush, and the next one is Luxie 246 precision crease brush. Like, honestly, I don't consider this a crease brush because a crease brush doesn't look like this. This honestly looks like a shader brush. Okay, so let's get right into this eyeshadow palette. So since I'm gonna create like something browns and glowy looks, I'm not gonna be using the blue today. I probably will use it in an upcoming makeup tutorial video. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Luxie 250 large blending brush, the one that came. And okay, so I guess I'm gonna use this. I'm trying to see, there's no matte shades in here, so I'm gonna use this shade right here that is called Enchant Rust. This shade right here. They're all shimmer shade. There is no match except for this chocolate one, but honestly, so I just use a shimmy shade on for the crease. There's no transition shades. Okay, so to darken it up, I'm gonna use this temp shade right here. I'm gonna dip it just a little bit since these shades are like super pigmented, and I'm just gonna like put it right here, like on the side, just like blend it. So I'm putting this dark shade on like the outer corner of my eye, and just blend into the crease. Okay, I hope you guys like this look. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray my brush because I'm gonna take another shade. So since I'm going with a browns and glowy look, I'm gonna go with the shade right here that is called Diva, and that's gonna be all over my lid right now. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm gonna use this previous Boxycharm eyeliner that came in my previous box. Is Vintage by Jessica Libby Skin Smoky Eye Pencil in the shade Jet Black. So this is it. I'm gonna use that for the eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I have primer, foundation, concealer, and setting powder already on. Now let's move it on to the bronzer. So for bronzer, I am going to use the Milani. I've been loving this Milani Silky Matte Bronzing powder. This is great for the summer because it's very streak free and it's an oil free bronzer, which I love. So good. So I'm going to take some. See how light it looks in the pan, but it's like very dark, and I love it. So that's why I love it. So I'm going with this summer browns and glowy look right now. Love it. For highlights, I got Offer Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter. This is honestly the best highlighter ever. So good. I have Luna by Luna lip gloss in the shade Venus. This is how it looks like. So beautiful, right? Smells like vanilla. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video of July Boxycharm, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.